Alright guys, so this video is going to be very important for you guys to understand and really get a grasp for what I'm going to try to explain to you guys, okay? So first off, to get out of the way with the T-fuel trade that we were doing, we're currently pretty in the red, down about like 13%. At one point during the month, we were up over 40%. Anyone who's a newer trader definitely needs to start taking profits when they're that much in the green. But I said I was going to hold it out for the month, wait for the mainnet launch, and wait for these prices to really take off like we've seen in previous mainnet launches. But due to the overall bearishness of the market, that didn't really play out the way we were expecting it to, right? And that is crypto, guys. You can't sit here and bet your whole house on that T-fuel is going to increase for the mainnet launch, because the overall market is very bearish, and that will completely suppress the actual price explosion that is available with T-fuel and Theta for this month. All right, so it is what it is, right? No big deal. I am going to be holding that little T-fuel trade for a bit longer. Hopefully it recovers a bit more once the actual mainnet comes out and some new things come out with Theta. I've received some info that they're going to be releasing a lot of cool things after the mainnet launch. So we'll see how that plays out. I'm not going to take the loss quite yet. I'm going to let that play out a little bit longer. I will keep you guys updated on how that trade is going in the month of July. Now, I'm actually going to the beach this weekend, so you guys will be seeing this video on Monday. Today is Saturday, so if we're not quite up to par with what's going on in the markets, well, just know that it was 2 days before. But guys, so listen, okay? The market is bearish, okay? We will be seeing this whole crypto market pretty red for the following days / weeks. I can't really give you a timeline. All I know is that we're going to see very strong price drops, okay? This is an amazing opportunity to buy up some great projects, some great coins at very cheap prices, okay? Yes, we are supposed to be going down even more than where we're at right now. I have personally, okay, taken a couple of short positions that are already open, and I've actually sold a good majority of my Dent, and I've actually sold some Zilliqa to buy back in lower on this dip. So I am making some moves in preparing myself for this market consolidation, for this market dip. Now, yes, there are some things you need to take into consideration, right? We're already down so much from where we were at before. How much lower could we possibly go? This is based off of the information that I received from what I'm feeling in the market, from what I'm expecting to come, okay? Doesn't mean, again, I'm not a financial advisor. You can't, just sit here and take my advice for it and take my word for it or whatever. No. Do your own research. You are fully responsible for any movements you decide to make with your investments. This is, again, just my opinion, right? So don't listen to me. Just take it for what it's worth, okay? But yes, I am making some moves with my coins. I'm going to be buying in lower. I will be letting my patrons know what coins I sold at, what price, and what prices I'm looking to buy back in at. I will keep you guys updated on that. And I've got some short positions, okay? Yeah, nothing too crazy. Oh, look, an iguana. That's cool. Nothing too crazy. Just really trying to take advantage of this market consolidation that we're going to be seeing. Now, here's the kicker, is that we're going to see the market come down. Okay, cool. For those that are just passive, long-term, not really trying to make trades, just sit back, relax, wait it out. Okay, it's going to be crazy, and if you got some fiat, again, if you got some more money to be putting in to the market in this market consolidation that's coming, go ahead, balls to the wall, like really stock up on some coins, because after this market dip, we are going to the moon, baby. Things are going to be looking very well. I mean, taking off, okay? So the market's right, it's been going down, about to fall out and then really start to pick up, okay? Again, I can't really give you a timeline. Nothing is really written in stone. All I know is that market's going to go down. Great opportunity, phenomenal opportunity to buy up some nice cheap coins. Hold off for a couple weeks, couple months, and then you're going to be seeing some great gains. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion. But yes, that is my game plan for the following weeks / months. And I do have to give a shout out to my patrons, guys. You guys are doing amazing. You guys have been relaxing, not really stressing out too much about this market consolidation. That is awesome. You're doing things perfectly fine. You don't know how much progress you're making by skipping that learning curve, right? You're not making mistakes. You're just buying into the right assets, holding, being patient, and you have the long-term vision. That's the most important part. You guys are doing phenomenally well. Big salute to you guys. Now, I will be honest with you guys. I wasn't expecting the market to come down even this much where we're at, and much less go down to where we're going. But here's the thing, okay? There are big players in this space with a lot of money that unfathomable amounts of money, just hundreds of millions, billions of dollars, okay? They want in on this action. They want to buy Bitcoin, but they're not going to buy Bitcoin at 30K, much less 40, 50, 60K. No, they want to buy in at 20K, even under 20K, okay? That's where these moves are coming from, okay? They are doing whatever's in their power to bring this market down, be able to buy a buku heavy over the counter, not to move the price, anything, once the prices get very low, and then let the gates open and things just take off, okay? For those that have been patient, you guys will be reaping the benefits. For those that have been wishy-washy, buying and selling and scared and this, that, the other, hey, that's on you, home. I haven't been telling you to sell. No. The main objective is to buy, accumulate, build up the portfolio with the right cryptocurrencies. If you're trying to sell here, if you're not trying to take it as a trader's mentality, right? If you're an investor but trying to trade around your investments, you're gonna crash. Those things don't mix well. It's like oil and water. They don't mix well, okay? You're either a professional investor, right? A lot more passive, or you're a more active trader, okay? You can't do the trading with your investments. My long-term holds, my portfolio, my wallet's there untouched, okay? But I have a trading bag. You see what I mean? That is okay. Do both at the same time, but you don't use assets from one for the other, okay? Now, when it comes to a huge swing in the market that I am expecting, sure, I'll grab some for my long-term holds like I'm doing now with Zilliqa and Dent. I'm going to sell some and then buy back in lower just to up on my overall bags, get more of those coins. Now, I am pretty satisfied with the amount of Dent that I have, so anything above the amount that I'm satisfied with, I'll probably reinvest into other cryptocurrencies. Zilliqa, I'd like a little bit more Zilliqa, so I'm going to up on that, and probably going to be buying some T-Fuel if T-Fuel is nice and cheap. T-Fuel is my baby. I am trying to get as much T-Fuel as I can. That is the main focus for me. Even for this past month and for the following months, man, T-Fuel is going to be booming, straight booming, okay? So that is what we can expect for the market for the following weeks, following months. Again, I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to be trying to post more videos, okay? Starting in July, I'll see how that goes. Probably doing some trading and stuff, okay? Again, you guys will be seeing what I post here on my channel, okay? So please, if you want to sign up for one-on-one mentorship with me, you can through the Patreon link in the description below. Drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.